name's Steve Parker. I'm the Development Manager at UBM. I'll be running through the Orbit Appointments section for you now, showing you some of the functionality and how it works. Starting the application, you need to click on the Appointments button, which displays then a listing of all the exhibitors and their appointment slots for your show. A tick next to the exhibitor represents the fact that they have made their appointment. If they're unticked, it means that they've missed their appointment. For each exhibitor, there is a priority displayed and a booth, and also there are additional details which I will go into shortly. At the bottom of the screen, there is a quick and easy way of navigating to missed appointments, which will display any exhibitor that has missed their slot. Going into an exhibitor itself, into their details, you're able to check them in. This represents the fact that somebody has gone to visit this exhibitor at their booth, or you can change their status to, for example, not rebooking, which represents the fact that the exhibitor won't be rebooking this year. Clicking not rebooking requires you to enter a note to explain why they are not rebooking. In this case, I will put no budget available, and then a possible way of leading this up, so contact Mark in December. Okay, this will then put a cross next to the exhibitor representing the fact that they are not rebooking. By checking in with an exhibitor, an eye icon will be displayed next to them to represent the fact that they've been seen. At the bottom of the application there is a reminders button. Clicking on this displays a list of exhibitors that can be notified via email that they've missed their appointment slot. There is a way of re-emailing people that have missed their slots here, or by also excluding from this list people that have already been seen. Clicking on the email reminders will send an email to the companies highlighted in the list above. The report section allows you to produce reports based on companies that have missed their slots. At the top of the screen there is an appointments from until range. In this instance I'm going to select everybody that have missed their appointments between yesterday morning and now. I also have the ability here to switch on what options the report produces. I can include exhibitors that have already been seen, so people that have been visited at their booths, and I can also include exhibitors that aren't rebooking this year to tell them that they've missed their slot. By default those are set off. I can also attach a floor plan to the email when it's sent out. By clicking on the email button, it will produce a report that I can email to my runners with a copy of the floor plan attached. Printing will produce the same report but printed out to an AirServe printer. I currently don't have one connected, therefore I can't print out in this example. The only other thing I wanted to show here was if you go to the All section, typing in a company name or a partial company name will filter the list just on the text that's been typed. Removing that and clicking on this button down here will refresh the list back to its normal state. And that concludes this presentation on managing appointments. I hope it was useful for you. If you have any feedback or any questions, please contact me at steve.parker@ubm.com and I'll be more than happy to help out. Thanks very much for listening. Have a great day. Bye bye.